Okay, good afternoon, brothers and sisters, good friends, lovely ones. We are here climbing the mountain.
Uh-huh.
The second highest mountain, Mount Yafajato. No,
No.
sorry, Mount Yogaga.
Yeah.
Here,
Montino Dodo.
here is Jenny, my fiancée. Here is Annie. Oh,
Unknown man.
unknown man. Don't worry, don't mind her. I don't even love her again. Let me go
Me
inside.
too. Oh.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See, she's just following me. Oh,
Ah.
I don't want to see anyone
I
following me.
discussed him long time. I told him to leave me, but he refused.
Shame on you.
Shame, oh, shame.
We are climbing this mountain to have fun,
Fun.
see friends,
Just the two of us.
see some
So anything that will happen,
some
only the angels will see.
horrible ones. Maybe
Horrible, terrible one.
when you don't come back again, just come and pray for us and don't worry.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
What's your name?
My name. My name.